Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to update all apps on iPhone at once. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first one to do is go ahead and open the App Store app on your iPhone. Click on the profile picture at the top right. Then here, you should see upcoming automatic updates if you have automatic updates enabled. Now, for you to update all apps on your iPhone at once, all you need to do is go ahead and click on Update All. And before then, you should see the number of applications you want to update on your iPhone. Click on that. And then you should see a button that says sign into your Apple account. In some cases, you'll be prompted to type the side button twice to authenticate it. So if you say sign into Apple account, just go ahead and type in your Apple account password. After that, go ahead and click on OK. If your Apple account password is correct, then all the selected applications will start downloading one after the other. And once they are done, then you are good. So once you see your application downloading, just go ahead and click on the top right. And all these applications are going to install in the background section of your iPhone so you can focus on something else. So that's exactly how to update all apps on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.